Hey team, welcome back. My name is Coach Shira and I'm guiding you through our 10-minute mini stepper for absolute beginners. This is a great workout to focus on your goals of just getting started or picking back up where you left off. We're getting movement back into our routine. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with our full library of workouts, which we update every week. Let's get started. Okay team, so make sure you've done your full body warm-up. Feel free to check out the Sunny library to make sure that you've hit a good warm-up for at least 5 minutes. In 10 seconds, we're getting started with our base pace. We begin in 3, 2, and start pedaling. You're thinking of rolling all the way through the foot like a basic step and making sure you establish a nice even rhythm. So the objective here is we have 5 different types of speeds and modifications. You'll have 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. So this is round 1 or exercise 1 of 5, and you'll be completing 2 rounds of this circuit. So keep that consistent rhythm, embracing your belly to your spine, making sure you're not letting your hips fall far back, keeping those hips slightly pushed forward and chest slightly elevated. Arms walking with you and maintaining that base pace. We have our active rest in 3, 2. This means that you actually just maintain your base pace for 15 seconds. Then on our next interval, you'll have 30 seconds of this base pace and then 15 seconds of a little bit more of a moderate rhythm. So we're gonna add a little bit of intensity. We begin with this second interval, continuing that base pace right here, maintaining that rhythm. Honestly, my heart rate is all the way up already, so we're making sure that we're getting full range of motion, and that's gonna change as we get a little bit faster. Now, in 5 seconds, we're gonna go for a more moderate pace. So I want you to slightly hinge at the hips and increase your speed. Let your arms work with you, going for that full range of motion, but just a little bit faster here for 10 more seconds. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. You should feel your heart rate elevating. You have 3, 2, back to base pace. Really take your time here. Then we're going to go for half your base pace and half your moderate pace. That's coming up in 3, 2, so let's maintain that base pace again. Arms are flowing with this alternating movement. Just like you're walking, you could literally let them go, but I like to have this 90-degree feeling, relaxed hands, little rotation in the upper body. And in 5 seconds, we're going for that half interval moderate pace. That's in 3, 2, and let's get it. Adding a nice faster rhythm, making sure that you just feel a difference here. So you feel like you're trying harder. And reminder, this is a judgment-free zone. So give what you can, but our best will look different every day, especially if we're just starting back in the game. We have 3, 2, and back to base pace. So larger, taller strides. And we're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. In 4 seconds, we're going to a more complex interval. Base pace in 3, 2, here we go. Now we have 10 seconds of this base pace. In 5 seconds, we'll go to that moderate pace in 3, 2, and let's pick it up for 20 seconds. Here we go. Good. Now, for your last 15 seconds, we have a speed interval. That's gonna go in 5 seconds, smaller range of motion. In 3, 2, speed it up so your heels won't go all the way down, and we want nice, quick heels. Let's get it, get it, get it. Can we go a little faster? Keeping that hip hinge, belly tight to the spine. 3, 2, and you're up. Nice. Take a breath. 15-second base pace reset. And we'll do that again. That 10-second base, 20-second moderate pace, and 15-second sprint. We go in 3, 2, base pace, a little taller, thinking about contracting those abs, but still letting the air flow through your body. And we break into our moderate pace. So slight hinge, belly to spine, and a bit faster than that base pace with intention. For your last 15 seconds, we're back to that speed interval that's coming up in 3, 2, and nice and quick. It might take a second to establish your balance, that's okay. Make it nice and choppy. Push it a little bit faster if you can. You have 5 seconds here. We go for 4, 3, 2, and rest, active rest. Nice work, guys. So that was circuit 1. Now we're gonna get into circuit 2. Same thing, back to the top. Base pace for your full 45 seconds in 3, 2, here we go. Nice and tall. Breathing in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And really let yourself slow it down here. We got the rest of this entire circuit to increase that heart rate even more. So you got 30 seconds here. If this is challenging, that is okay. It's really hard to get back into a routine sometimes, so props to you for showing up and getting started again, or props to you for continuing your routine and choosing to just get some basic movement in. Sometimes we just need a nice, moderate day to get back to it. We have 4 seconds until our active rest. 3, 2, and here we go. So active rest, same as base pace before, just keeping that heart rate elevated. I know you're probably sweating right now. I'm already warm. In 5 seconds, we're back to base pace for 30, moderate pace for 15. Here we go. Base pace for 30. My body instinctively wants to go a little bit faster, but I'm gonna save that for that moderate pace in about 15 seconds. So, walking through, make sure your hips aren't far back, knees and toes pointed forward. Try not to let the knees collapse in. And in 5 seconds, we get that more moderate pace. In 3, 2, here we go. Arms working with us, and we've sped it up quite a bit. Still getting that full range of motion, but making sure it's a quicker pace than our base pace. 5 seconds here. We have 3, 2, and rest. Good. Next up, half and half, right? Base pace, 22 seconds. Moderate pace, 22 seconds. In 5 seconds, we'll continue that base pace for half the interval. In 3, 2, here we go. Just your basic base pace. You can slow it down if you need to just catch your breath a little bit. But just know, in 10 seconds, we're going for that moderate, consistent pace, practicing our endurance, letting ourselves get uncomfortable. We go in 3, 2, here we go for that moderate pace. Let's get it. Breathing deep. Pushing yourself a little bit more. So I know you're giving me a lot of energy right now, but for the next 15 seconds of this interval, give me 10% more effort. I know it's an absolute beginner workout, but that means we get to start to build our endurance, our skills, our methodology on pushing ourselves. We have 3, 2, and active rest. Slow it down. Great job. Crushing it. Next, we have our 10, 20, 15 split. So base pace for 10 seconds in 3, 2, here we go. 10 seconds. Then you already know that 20-second moderate pace coming up in 3, 2, here we go. Moderate pace, already picking it back up. And to end the interval for those last 15 seconds, we will get into some more speed for sure. So getting ready in just 5 seconds to hinge those hips back, belly tight to the spine, and shorter steps. Let's speed it up nice and quick. 15 seconds, really trying to speed up those steps, staying competitive with yourself. You got 5 seconds here. So push, push, push for 4, 3, 2, and back to base pace. We're about to get to our last interval of your absolute beginner workout for the day. So, final 45 seconds. Your 10-second base pace interval starts in 3, 2, and here we go. 10 seconds to just walk it out. This is your last 45 seconds, so if you want a mini step nice and quick for your full interval, that's fine. Otherwise, stick with me. Moderate pace starts now. Adding a little bit more speed here, still getting that full range of motion on the stepper. And in just 5 seconds, so we're gonna go for that final sprint coming up in 3, 2, and let's get it. Nice and quick, ending the workout on a high note. Breathe in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let's finish strong together. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and that's a wrap. Nice work today. Make sure you have a moment to do some static stretches. Take about 2 minutes and take some deep breaths. Let's do one together. Deep breath in through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and take pride in what you achieved today. 10 minutes on the mini stepper, not easy. I'll see you next time. Great work.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find more classes from me. I teach kettlebell strength, low impact cardio, and age well classes. Plus, many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you there.